Now we are going to make vermicelli upma. For that, first I am going to keep a pan and then put around 2 tablespoons of oil I am going to put into it. Let's wait to heat the oil. Now you can see the oil has been heated up. Now I am going to add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. It has started crackling now. Along with the mustard seeds, I am going to add 2 red chilies, dried chilies. See, it has started crackling. Now I am going to add this lentils, white lentil, which is also known as urad dal. Around 1 teaspoon I have taken this. I am going to roast it. And this is chickpea, split chickpea. Now I am going to roast them together. Before this you can also add curry leaves, but because I am not having curry leaves, so I haven't added. It's optional, but it tastes very good if you add it. Now you can see the lentils have been roasted up, and now I am going to add ginger and green chili paste. An inch of ginger I have taken, and 2 green chilies I have turned into a paste. And now I am going to saute it. And then now I am going to add onions, which I have diced. A medium sized onion I have taken. I am going to saute this also. At this point you can keep your flame at the medium. And now along with the onions, after roasting it for around 1 minute, add the vegetables, whatever vegetables you wanted to add. I am having carrots. I have cut like this. Capsicum, green capsicum. You can add other colors also. Red bell peppers, yellow bell peppers. It's up to you. You can also add cauliflower, peas. Whatever vegetable you have, you can add it. Now I am going to roast it for 2-3 minutes. Keep stirring it. But the crunchiness of the vegetable should be there. You're not going to complete the vegetables completely. So we have to cook it half. See how beautiful color is, we can see, of the vegetable. Now you can see the vegetables have been roasted up. So now at this stage we are going to add our dried spices. First I am going to add turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon. Half a teaspoon of coriander powder, red chili powder. It's up to your taste how much spicy you want to eat it. So according to that you can put chilies, because we have already added green chilies also. And now mix it well. And at this time you can keep your flame low. And now I am going to add my roasted vermicelli. This is around 250 grams. Now I am going to mix it. Then after this I am going to add water, 1 cup of water. And because when I measured this vermicelli in this cup, it was approximately 2 cups. So I am going to put 1 more cup of water. And now I am going to add salt according to the taste. Now mix it well. After mixing, I am going to, on a low flame, I am going to cook it until it gets cooked completely. Now I'm going to close this lid and then on a low flame I'm going to cook it for 5 minutes, and then afterwards I'll just see it whether it is cooked or not. If needed, you can also add more water to it. Now let's see. See, our upma is ready. It's already cooked now. After 5 to 7 minutes, I also added in between half a cup of water because I felt the water is less, so I added half a cup of water. Now it is ready, and at last we are going to add lemon juice into it to give it more taste and add the flavors. Now let's mix it properly. How beautiful it's looking, how tempting it's looking. And come on, let's serve it. It's ready to eat now. Our upma is ready.
फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको मेरी ये रेसिपी अच्छी लगे तो मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें और कमेंट्स करके बताइए कि आपको मेरी रेसिपी कैसी लगी, और मेरी रेसिपी को शेयर करना ना भूलना। और अब तक अगर आपने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब बटन को जल्दी से दबाकर और बेल आइकन को भी दबाना ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियोस के अपडेट्स आप तक पहुंच सकें।